My dear children, God bless you all. And again, I am in front of you with a new prose, Boli. And this prose has been taken from Footprints Without Feet, class 10th NCERT book. And we will be dealing this prose in two parts. First part will be part 1, and in another part, I will be covering up a rest portion of the prose. This prose has been written by K.A. Abbas. It's about a girl, and since from her childhood she had faced a lot of problem, and how she overcame that problem and how she took a stand for herself, this story is all about that. ये एक छोटी सी बच्ची की कहानी है जो बचपन से बहुत तकलीफ़ झेलती हैं, फिर कैसे वो स्कूल जाती हैं, उनको एजुकेशन मिलता है, उनको एक अच्छी टीचर मिलती है, वो लाइफ चेंज होता है और वो अपने लिए एक स्टैंड लेती हैं. सो ये स्टोरी स्टार्ट होता है. हर नेम वॉज सुलेखा, बट सिंस हर चाइल्डहुड एवरी वन हैड बीन कॉलिंग हर होली द सिंपल्टन. Her real name was Sulekha, but since from her childhood, everyone in the village as well as in the family was calling her Bholi. Bholi means the simpleton. Simpleton means any person who can easily be tricked or fooled by others. ऐसा कोई इंसान जो इतना सीधा सरल है जिसको कोई भी दूसरा व्यक्ति आके बुद्धू बना ले या उसके साथ कोई चाल चल जाए और उसे समझ में नहीं आए, बुद्धू बन ही जाता है. मतलब सिंपल गर्ल थी, बहुत सिंपल गर्ल थी. शी डिडेंट नो हाउ टू प्ले पॉलिटिक्स, तो शी वॉज वेरी सिंपल गर्ल. शी वॉज द फोर्थ डॉटर ऑफ नंबरदार रामलाल. नंबरदार का मतलब होता है गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल. तो शी वॉज द फोर्थ डॉटर एंड शी वॉज द यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ रामलाल. The father name is Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, when she was only 10 months old, she faced a very bad incident, a bad event of her life. What happened? She had fallen off the cot. Bed से वो गिर जाती है. And she got injured, and this injury was head injury. Some part of the brain got injured. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Bholi the simpleton. This is the reason why she was called simpleton, because when she got injured, she got head injury, her brain was injured, she became a slow learner after that. And when she became slow learner, she was not able to understand what the people were doing, how they were playing trick with her. That's why everyone in the village was saying her Bholi. The simpleton means the simple girl. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty, but when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. When she was born, she was very pretty, she was fair, she was not dark colored, बहुत सुंदर गोरी सी प्यारी pretty मतलब beautiful बच्ची थी. And when she was only 2 years old, she suffered from smallpox. जो हम बोलते हैं ना छोटी माता बड़ी माता ऐसे दाने निकल जाते पूरी बॉडी में, तो उनको smallpox हुआ. And due to that smallpox, what happened? Her entire body was permanently disfigured. Disfigured मतलब damage हुई by deep black poke marks. Poke marks means spots due to disease. When she was suffering from smallpox, after being cured from that, she was having deep black color spots on her body. The only part of the body which was left, which was not having any spot marks, was eyes. Otherwise, it was means her whole body, उसकी पूरी की पूरी शरीर में ही काले रंग के छोटे छोटे दाग हो गए थे. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5, and when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. Sulekha was not able to speak till the age of 5 years, and when she learned how to speak, then what happened? When she was speaking, she was stammering too. She was having the problem of stammering. अब what is stammering? हकलाना. इंग्लिश में इसे क्या बोलेंगे? Speak with pause in between. कोई भी शब्द को बोलने के बीच में ही थोड़ा थोड़ा रुक के बोलना. ठीक. अब क्या हुआ बेटा? The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. The other children, when she was speaking, the other children were enjoying and they were making fun of her. उसका जोक बनाते थे. Fun मतलब जोक बनाते थे. And mimicked her. उसके बाद उसका mimicry भी करते थे. They were imitating or trying to copy her. And when they were doing all this thing, this Sulekha, the Bholi, was getting hurt. And due to all this thing, she decided that she will be talking very little, बहुत कम बात करेगी. Ramlal had 7 children. Ramlal was blessed to have 7 children and Bholi was the youngest one. He was blessed to have 3 sons and 4 daughters. Then what happened? It was a prosperous farmer's household and there was plenty to eat and drink. It was a prosperous, means rich. Ramlal was a rich farmer and in his house there was no scarcity. They were not facing scarcity of food or anything else. They were financially stable. उनके घर वो बहुत rich थे, उनकी कोई आर्थिक तंगी नहीं थी. And they were having plenty. Plenty means enough to eat and drink. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, खाते पीते घर के हैं, तो वो खाते पीते घर के थे, बहुत पैसा था, बहुत rich लोग थे. The sons had, all the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. All the 6 children were healthy and strong except Bholi. Bholi was not healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in school and later in colleges. The sons were going to city for studying in school and then they went to college in the city. That means they were having good financial condition. Otherwise, it is not possible for anyone to send three children to city for study. And then about the daughters, Radha the eldest had already been married. Radha जो उनकी सबसे बड़ी बेटी थी, बेटियों में, she was married. And the second daughter Mangla's marriage had also been settled. Also been settled means it was fixed. Marriage of Mangla was fixed. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of third. When the marriage will happen, then Ramlal will start thinking about Champa, the third daughter. And finding bridegrooms for the daughters were not tough. For these 3 daughters, bridegroom मतलब दूल्हा ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं था इन तीनों बच्चियों के लिए, because they were pretty and they were healthy girls. So anyone who was coming to see them, they were like ready to marry them. But there was one worry. See, but Ramlal was worried about Bholi. Ramlal was having tension about Bholi. And why he was having tension? Because Bholi was neither having good looks, she was not beautiful, nor she was intelligent. As I said, she was slow learner, so she was not intelligent. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla was married. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla was married. And in the same year, what happened? A primary school was opened in the village for the girls of the village. एक जो स्कूल खुला गांव में, प्राइमरी स्कूल खुला लड़कियों के लिए. The तहसीलदार means district collector. The Tehsildar Sahib came to perform its opening ceremony. Now what happened? Tehsildar, the district collector, came for opening the school or for opening ceremony or inauguration of the school. And then after inauguration, he had a discussion with Ramlal and he said something to Ramlal. What was that? As a revenue official means tax collecting officer. As a tax collecting officer, you are the representative of the government. Representative means spokesperson. तो आप सरकार के क्या हुए? Spokesperson हुए. आप सरकार को represent करते हैं गांव वालों के सामने. So you must set an example. And what was this example? That you should send your daughter to the school. अब वो बोलते देखो रामलाल, आप तो स्पोक्स पर्सन हो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, आप रेवेन्यू ऑफिशियल हो, आप टैक्स कलेक्टिंग ऑफिसर हो, तो यू हैव टू सेट एन एग्जाम्पल. आपको ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ेगा कि जिसके बाद गांव वालों को लगे जब आप कर ले रहे हो तो हमको भी करना है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि यू सेंड योर डॉटर टू द स्कूल, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? आपको देख के बाकी के गाँव वाले अपनी बेटियों को स्कूल में भेजेंगे. दे विल ऑल्सो सेंड देयर डॉटर टू द स्कूल. दैट नाइट व्हेन रामलाल केम बैक टू होम, he had consulted his wife. Consulted means discussed this thing with the wife. She cried. वो रोने नहीं लगी. She shouted, "Are you crazy?" वो बोलती क्या तुम पागल हो? You are mad. If girls go to school, who will marry them? And she asked, if girls are going to school, then who will marry your daughter? If you are going to send your daughter to the school, उससे शादी कौन करेगा? But Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar, as Tehsildar was a big officer, he was district collector. So Ramlal was not having strength to say no to or disobey or disrespect the order given by him. At last his wife said, after having discussion, the wife said, okay, I will tell you what to do. I am going to state you, मतलब मैं बताती हूँ what to do in this case. What she said कि she said, send Boli to school. Boli को school भेज दो. As it is there, as it is, जैसी वैसी भेज दो. There is little chance of her getting married. You know, there is little chance of getting her married with this ugly face, with this with this not good looking face. Nobody is going to marry her, and she is not having lack means she is having shortage of knowledge to sense to fool है. तो if we are worrying, let the teacher also worry about her. वो बोलती है कि ठीक है, हम लोग तो परेशान हैं इससे अब स्कूल के टीचर्स भी परेशान हो, ठीक है तुम भेज दो इसको स्कूल में. The next day Ramlal caught Boli by the hand and said, come with me. The next day Ramlal called Boli and said that today you had to come with me to the school. आज तुमको मेरे साथ चलना है, स्कूल चलना है. I will take you to school. Ramlal said कि I am going to take you to the school. Boli was frightened. Frightened मतलब afraid हो गई. Boli was afraid. Why she was afraid? She did not know what a school was like. She had never ever went to school, so how come she will know about school? She was afraid because she was not aware what a school is. School होता क्या उसे पता ही नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा तो डर लगेगा बच्चे को. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. And now, out of fear, she was recalling an incident which had happened few days back. Ago मतलब कुछ दिन पहले ही हुआ था, back हुआ था. What has happened in her house that the cow, the name of the cow is Lakshmi. She was old cow, and she was taken out of the house, turned out of the house. इसको underline करिएगा, इसका meaning होता है taken out of the house. She was taken out of the house, and as she was old, Ramlal had sold this cow Lakshmi. That's why she didn't wanted to go out of the house. No, 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 no. She started stammering and ultimately she said no. She shouted with terror. Terror means out of fear. Her pitch became louder and she said, no, I'm not going to come, and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. And she managed to pulled her hand back. अपना हाथ पीछे की तरफ खींचती है from the grip, from the hold of his father's hand. जो पापा ने उसको ऐसे पकड़ के रखता, कैसे भी मैनेज करके अपना हाथ छुड़ाती है. What's the matter with you, you fool? shouted Ramlal. रामलाल को भी गुस्सा आता है. Out of anger, he also shouted कि what is the matter? क्या हो गया तुम्हारे साथ, बुद्धू लड़की? You fool, what you are doing? I am only taking you to school. What I am doing? I am taking you to school. मैं तुम्हें स्कूल ले जा रहा हूँ. Then he told his wife. Then he told to his wife that let her wear some decent means nice clothes today. He told to wife that let her wear, give her a nice dress to wear, or else what will happen if you are not going to give her decent or nice dress when she will be going to the school? The teachers and other school girls will think of us. If she will be going in this dress and she is not wearing a good dress when she will be going to the school, the teachers and the girls who are studying over there, what they will think of us. उनको लगता है कि अगर वो उसको इस गंदे कपड़े में देखते हैं तो वो हमारी फैमिली के बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, अच्छा तो नहीं सोचेंगे. So new clothes had never been made for Boli. As she was neglected child, she was simpleton. Never ever any new clothes was made for Boli. Neglected बच्ची थी और कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं करती थी, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स नहीं करती थी, तो उसके लिए कभी भी नया कपड़ा बना नहीं. और एक रीज़न ये था कि शी वॉज हैविंग 3 elder sister. तो whenever the old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. जब घर में बड़े भाई बहन होते हैं तो बड़े भाई बहन के कपड़े छोटे भाई बहन को मिल जाते हैं, है ना. तो all the dresses of her sisters were passed on to her, so she was wearing that dresses. No one cared to repair. Mend means to repair. or wash her clothes. No, as she was neglected child, so no one was giving any care to her. She was in dirty dress, no one was worried to wash her clothes or repair her clothes. She was wearing that dirty, unrepaired clothes. But today is something different. She was lucky. She was fortunate to wear a clean, neat and clean dress of Champa. And this dress had been shrunk. Shrunk means छोटा हो गया था. Became smaller in size. Became smaller in size due to repeated washing. बार बार धोने के कारण चंपा को छोटा हो गया था. तो आज ये ड्रेस किसको मिल गया? लकी हो गई बोली. बोली को मिल गया. Because now it's no longer fitted to चंपा. बार बार धोने के कारण छोटा हो गया. It became smaller in size. shrunk कर गया. तो अब चंपा को फिट नहीं हो रहा. तो आज के दिन स्कूल जाना है तो ये मिल गया भोली को. She was even bathed. वो आज नहाई भी. She took bath, and after that oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. Hair was dry and it was uncombed hair. After bathing, oil was rubbed on her uncombed hair, which was dry too. उसके सूखे सूखे बाल थे. कंघी कभी करते नहीं थे लोग. वो खुद कर नहीं पाती थी तो अजीब से थे. तो आज उसके सर पे तेल डाला गया. Only then did she begin to believe. After all these things, she started to believe that yes, I am going somewhere and which that place will be better than my house. उसको लगता आज मुझे ना इन लोग कहीं लेके जा रहे हैं और वो जगह जो है ना हमारे घर से अच्छी होगी. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classroom. Father and daughter went to the school. They reached the school and what they saw that children were already sitting in their classroom. बच्चे तो अपनी गर्ल्स जो है अपनी क्लासेस में बैठी हैं. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. Now Ramlal said to the headmistress, "This is my daughter. She needs to get admitted in the school." And he left her all alone there and he went back to his work. Left alone, the poor girl looked about. Looked about का मतलब होता है looked around her with fear laden eyes. Fear laden eyes मतलब होता eyes full of fear. आंखें पूरी डरी हुई थी. She was all alone in the school and this helpless girl, poor मतलब गरीब से नहीं, helpless girl, she was looking around her and from her eyes anybody can guess out that she was frightened. She was afraid because her eyes were full of fear. There were several rooms in the school and in each room girls like her squatted on mats. Squatted means sat on mat. अब स्क्वेटेड पालथी मार के बच्चे बैठे थे अपने मैट पे. ज़मीन में मैट बिछाया उस पर बच्चियाँ पढ़ रही थी बैठ के. In some classes reading was going on. In some classes the girls were writing on slates. The headmistress asked Polly to sit down in a corner in one of the classroom. Then headmistress said that you have to sit in this classroom and you sit in a corner of the classroom. Polly did not know what exactly a school was like. Polly was not aware that what exactly a school looks like and what happens over there. वहाँ क्या होता है ना actually what happens over there means what activities is is carried out in a school. कैसा काम होता है. But she was glad. Glad means she was happy to see so many girls in the school of her own age. पहली बार उसने इतनी सारी लड़कियां देखी जो उसके उम्र की हैं and she was very happy to see girls. Why? देखो, she hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. She was having a hope that one of this girl, there are so many girls, out of that so many, one will become her friend. उसको एक आशा रहती कि इतनी सारी लड़कियां एक तो मुझसे दोस्ती कर लेगी ना, इसी से वो खुश होती रहती है. The lady teacher who was in class was saying something to the girls. The lady teacher was teaching to the girls, but Bholi was not able to understand anything because it was her first day. But she looked at the pictures on the wall. She was continuously observing the pictures on the wall. The colors fascinated her. Fascinated means attracted her. The colors which were there on that pictures, it was attracting her. The horse was brown, just like the horse in which the Tehsildar had came to visit their village. And now she is trying to connect the picture's color with the real ones. And she is connecting that the horse which is there in the picture is having brown color, and it is the same color which was of that horse on which Tehsildar came to the village to visit the village. ये वो हॉर्स के कलर से मैच खाता है जिस पे तहसीलदार बैठ के गाँव आते हैं. The goat was black like the goat of their neighbors. The color of the goat is similar to the color of goat is similar to the neighbor's goat color. मतलब यहाँ पे जो गोट का कलर है वो उसके पड़ोसी के गोट के कलर के जैसा है. एंड देन शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट पैरट. तो शी इज सेइंग द ग्रीन कलर of the parrot is similar to that which she had seen in mango tree garden. और cats means जो garden होता है जहाँ पे फ्रूट ट्रीज लगाए जाते हैं. तो बोलती ये जो पैरेट का रंग हरा है ना, ये वो जो मैंगो ट्री वाले गार्डन में मैं गई थी वहाँ जो पैरेट देखी थी वैसा ही है. एंड द काउ वॉज जस्ट लाइक हर लक्ष्मी, एंड द पिक्चर ऑफ काउ वॉज सिमिलर एंड शी थॉट कि इट्स हर लक्ष्मी, वो उसकी लक्ष्मी जो ओल्ड काउ है वही है. And suddenly Boli noticed, suddenly she noticed something, that the teacher was standing by her side. Standing by her side means standing near to her. The teacher was standing near to her and she was smiling, not laughing. Smile हल्की सी हंसी थी, जो laughing मतलब जो जोर जोर से हंसना. तो teacher was smiling at her. What's your name, little one? बहुत प्यार से पूछती है तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. भो. She started stammering and she was not able to spell out. वो भो कर रही है, बोल नहीं पा रही है बेचारी छोटी सी भोली. Then she began to cry. Because she was not able to spell out, she started crying. Tears were flowing from her eyes like flood. And she was feeling helpless at that time because she was not able to spell out. वो अपना नाम नहीं ले पा रही, इसके कारण वो रो रही हैं. और आज जैसे बाढ़ आता है ना तो आंसुओं का सैलाब उसकी आंखों से निकल रहा है. And she is feeling very helpless. She kept her head down. She kept her head down like this, and she sat in her corner. And she became quiet. She was crying and she was sitting in that corner. Not daring to means not having courage. She was not having courage to look up. ऊपर मुंडी करके देख ही नहीं रही थी. Because she was aware, उनको पता था कि all the girls in the classroom are laughing at her. उसे पता था कि जितनी भी लड़कियां क्लासरूम में हैं उसके स्टैमरिंग के कारण उस पर हंस रही हैं. तो she was not having courage to look towards other girl. अब क्या होता है देखिए. When the school bell rang, all the girls scurried out of the classroom. When the school bell rang, all the girls scurried means होता है moved in hurry. जल्दीबाजी में बाहर से निकलते. बेल बजता है तो जैसे आप बच्चे थे, हम बच्चे थे, हम लोग को लगता था बस क्लास से निकलो. तो all the girls were in hurry to come out of the classroom. But Bholi dared not. Dared not means did not have courage to leave her place. She was sitting at her corner. वो उसमें हिम्मत ही नहीं थी कि वो अपनी जगह छोड़े और वहीं कॉर्नर पे वो बैठी रही. Her head still lowered. Her head was down, still down. नीचे से मुंडी करके बैठी हैं. She kept on sobbing. Sobbing means she was continuously weeping, crying. धीरे धीरे रो रही हैं. एक जोर जोर से रोना आता है और एक धीरे धीरे रो रही है. बोली, teacher said. Bholi, the teacher voice was so soft and soothing. The way teacher said, the voice when she was speaking, the tone was soft and cool and calm. In all her life, she had never been called like that. Till this point of time, she had not been called by anyone in such a cool and calm way. In such a loving and caring way. इतने प्यार से तो आज तक किसी ने उन्हें नहीं बुलाया था. It touched her heart. She felt good. Touched means she felt good. Get up, said the teacher. Teacher said, get up. But the way she said get up was not a command. Command means order. It was not an order by the teacher. It was a friendly suggestion that get up, Bholi. Bholi, उठ जाओ. Now tell me your name, teacher said. अब अपना नाम बताओ. Sweat broke out over her whole body. She was sweating badly. पसीने छूट रहे थे उसके. Would her stammering tongue again disgrace her? She was thinking that my stammering is going to again insult. Disgrace means insult. For the sake of this kind woman, she thought, she is so loving and caring, and then the way she is talking to me is so soft and calm, that for this woman, for this teacher, I have to take, she decided to make an effort. She decided that she will be trying to speak out or spell out her name. She had such a soothing voice. She was having such a calm voice. The tone in which she was speaking, it was such a calm, loving and caring voice. She thought that she will not be laughing at her. Teacher तो मुझ पे हंसेगी नहीं, इतनी अच्छी lady है तो हंसेगी नहीं. She again started to spell out her name. She stammered and she said bh 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 bh. Stammering हो रही है उसकी. Well done, the teacher encouraged her. Teacher ने उसको encouragement दिया, motivation दिया कि yes, you can do it. Well done. Spell out. Come on, you can do it. Spell your full name. पूरा का पूरा नाम बोलो. Again she tried. And bh bh bho bholi. Ultimately she spelled her name. At last she was able to say her full name, and she felt relieved. Relieved means she felt happy, as if it was a great achievement. Why she felt happy? She thought it's a great achievement for her. She has done something very good. Then teacher said, well done Bholi. बहुत अच्छा बोली. And then she patted. Patted means repeated touch by hand to appreciate. She patted, she repeatedly touched, जैसे यहाँ पे patting देते हैं, repeatedly touched to appreciate her. And when she was patting, she was doing it with warmth, with love, that ultimately she has spelled her name out. And she gave a suggestion to Bholi. Put the fear out of your heart. Take out fear which is there in your heart. And once you will be able to take out that fear, you will be able to speak like everyone else. See, it's only fear which is stopping you from speaking. So what you need to do is take out your fear from your heart. Throw it out. फेंको उस डर को बाहर और बोलना चालू करो, है ना? Bholi was impressed. Bholi looked up. Now Bholi is looking up towards the teacher. And it seemed to the teacher that she wants to ask, really, what you are saying is true. मतलब उसके देखने के तरीके से पता चल रहा था कि भोली ये पूछना चाहती है कि जो आप बोल रहे क्या हो सकता है. तो ये स्टोरी अभी मैं यहीं तक समझाऊंगी. आप इस वीडियो को देखिए, समझिए, और कहीं प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है आपको, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, देन प्लीज़ लेट मी नो कि वेयर यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि आप अपने प्रॉब्लम को बताएंगे तो मुझे समझ आएगा, तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में उसे कोशिश करूँगी ओवरकम करने के लिए. And if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. And one thing more I want to say, don't subscribe. सब्सक्राइब करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपको पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना है कीजिए, नहीं करना है मत कीजिए, लेकिन आप देखिए, समझिए. कहीं पे भी कोई डाउट है पूछिए, फ्री होके पूछिए. आप पूछेंगे, मैं जवाब दूंगी, और नहीं दे पाई तो मैं 1-2 दिन के अंदर दूंगी, लेकिन मैं जवाब ज़रूर दूंगी. तो प्लीज़ देखिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताइए, जिनको भी चैनल देखना है उनको बताइए. इसमें मैं आपको हर एक वर्ड को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. जैसे कुछ चीज़ें कुछ दिनों के अंदर मैं MCQs के भी वीडियोस डालूंगी. तो प्लीज़ टच में रहिए, अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को बताइए ताकि मैं समझूं और बेटर वर्क कर सकूं. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर पेशेंटली लिसनिंग. And thank you very much, and God bless you all. Be healthy, be safe, and always be blessed. Thank you.